Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. It's been a little while since I did a video about this really unique veneer stone. It's real stone. And in the first video I did, I used CA glue and I've changed my course on that. I actually drew this out this morning and I created this. Now, I took two pictures. It's got some sort of sealant on it. And if you use a cutting box, like I suggested in part one of this, it won't get any char. And it's really unique stuff. I mean, it's real stone. But in this one, I sprayed it with a lacquer and it kind of really made it pop. I mean, it made the darker and the grays. And I think I just used a semi-gloss. Watco sprayed lacquer. But anyway, it's a unique product. It's, I had somebody email me that it's a little pricey. I'm going, if you cut out one pendant, and so he just sent me samples, and these are the samples. I think the real product comes in a 12 by 12 sheet. If you just cut out one pendant, and sell it, you paid for the sheet, and then the rest is profit. I do a lot of inlays, and I do inlay with mother of pearl. It's, of course, mother of pearl is really special, but this is really unique. You give this to somebody and have them wear it, and I just came up with this design. It's nothing fancy. It's just a teardrop with a heart, and the wood is alder. I could have used a different wood, but all I did was engrave it out. I engraved that and cut it, and then this is my cutting surface for my, to cut out the wood, the stone. But anyway, I'm going to put a link to their website at the bottom of the video. I'm going to put my email there if you want this cut file box. It's really unique. It's 4 inches deep, and you need it 4 inches deep. You can very easily make one. I put vents for the airflow to flow through. But it even though this product probably doesn't need it, the pieces are so little, or you could cut out little pieces, and that's probably going to be my next product or next project on it. But instead of using CA glue, I just used regular yellow wood glue, and I put it underneath a press like I did the first time. I've still got those pictures up. I pressed down the wood. Here's what I did at first. And this time I coated it with a oil, and then I started thinking, why not just spray it with a lacquer? And it really made it pop. And that's just one coat. I could have used a gloss, and I could have put a second coat, and I still might before I give this away. But it's real flexible, as you can see. So I'll put a link to their website. I'll put a link to the first video, and I'll put a link to the my email if you want this box file. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.